Good evening, good afternoon. This is Naimatul Janat, and I'm from Borishal. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video because I'm here for only for practice. And I was DSB group is my favorite group. I love to study here, but for some days, for a few days, I was irregular in DSB group, and I'm feeling guilty for that because it is for my irregularity. I'm facing with some problem about my study because irregular people never can shine, and also if you tell about your study, then if we want to practice, then we have to be regular in every platform. And I want to say that for some days me and my younger sister were busy for visit to doctor, and today we also have to go to doctor because we can't understand that what the problem of my younger sister, and she is facing with a lot of problem for her eyes and pain of eyes, and a lot of physical problem, and we were confused that our doctors are not giving the clear result that what the problem of my younger sister, and that's why we are confused and we don't understand that what should we do. And okay, leave it now, but yes, today she is alhamdulillah fine. So after all day long I was busy for cooking and doing my household work, and I have to take care of my younger sister because however how old she is, but she is my younger sister. This is the big fact, and that's why I have to take care to her all the time. And she is childish, and I love her a lot. That's why most of the time I take care to her. And okay, so I was reading category post written by Rajiv Ahmed sir, and I was practicing my English by reading category post. Yes, my favorite 0 category, 01 category posts topics are really very favorite of very favorite, because there are a lot of informative posts and inspirational posts. And today I was reading how to become successful from nothing. The topic name is how to become successful from nothing. The first line of that post is all of us have the dream to become successful in life. Unless you are born in a rich family, you have to struggle and start from almost nothing. This is a common problem for most of us during our childhood and teenage years. We dream to become a doctor, engineer, reach business, and we dream big most of the time. However, not all of us can achieve success, and in fact, most of us have ordinary life. In this article, I am going to discuss about becoming successful from nothing. Yes, sir discussed in this post about the life of poor people or middle class people like us, and we wish from childhood if when any guest asked me that what you want to do, want to be in future, I answered that I want to be an income tax lawyer. But when I realized that I am not, I couldn't, when I realized that no, it's not possible for me, the situation is not on my favor, so I felt depressed, and I thought that no, I am nothing. Then I wished that yes, I will be a teacher, or I will be a principal of a college. with the subject of accounting or marketing or finance. My favorite subject was management. My favorite subject was management and accounting. So when I was in inter second year, at the time I thought that yes, I can do the subject, I can do good in management, and my common my ability was good, and without read a lot for a long time, I passed in management with a good number. And when I after my HSC examination, when I didn't get chance to Borishal University for lack of my number in English subject, then I felt depressed. That I was sure that I would admit there, but it was not. It was really the matter of sorrow and depression. And after that, I tried for more other, and whatever I wanted to be, it was not on my favor. And I thought that no, it was not about my luck. My luck is good, but I am not good. I am not perfect. I thought that. At the time I was thinking that I am not perfect, I am not able, I am nothing, I am not successful, or I don't have any ability to do something good in my life. I feel depressed when I wanted to do online business. When I wanted to be an entrepreneur, then I also again I felt, and when I found the platform Digital Skills Group of Rajiv Ahmed sir, I got my confidence. I became a confidential girl, and I became stronger girl. And I thought that I used to think that yes, it is possible for me. I am not a loser, and I can do anything. I can do anything good in my life if I have confidence and if I follow the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir. And at the time, now I have my dream that I will be a freelancer one day, inshallah. But still I have some obstacles, but these obstacles is not from my heart. These obstacles is not from my mind. These obstacles is only for my situation, and bad situation never stay for a long time if I am strong. And I think that yes, I am sure that I will be a freelancer, inshallah, one day. For a lack of good situation, now today I am not able to become a freelancer, but I'm sure that very soon I will. So inspiration is everything. Physical strongness is important, but mentally strongness is most important than physical strongness, because and in your life, a good guideline, an honest guideline is most important. I realized that, and for a long time I followed Rajiv Ahmed sir's guideline, and I am regular in DSP group. This DSP group changed my life, and I want to be regular for a long time in DSP group. So and now I will read category 1 post for in from the website of Search English Group. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.